Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Mel, and if you're not new, wagwan, welcome back. First of all, I recorded this video so many times, guys, so that's why the thumbnail looks different. I've recorded it, edited it, everything, and it just disappeared. And I'm re-recording and I don't feel like doing over the thumbnail. Unpopular opinion video, and I thought I'd do one but like hair related things, hair related opinions. So here we are again. These are my unpopular opinions hair edition. Of course, I don't need to do a disclaimer to let you guys know that these are just my opinions and everyone is entitled to their own opinions, right? Okay, good, let's go. First opinion that I think is unpopular: braids are not a protective style. If they're done correctly, maybe, but more often than not, they're done way too tight and they wreak havoc on your edges. And I feel like a lot of the times, if you're not a professional braider, or if you're not going to a professional braider that knows how to properly tuck the ends, they just stick out from the braid and break off. Another thing that puzzles me is the rubber band method that seems to be so popular on YouTube. And if you watch some of those videos, you can clearly see they're placing tension on their scalp. I personally consider braids and twists more of a low manipulation style, but low manipulation style is a mouthful, so maybe people just use protective style as sort of a blanket term. I don't know. Opinion number 2, long hair does not mean healthy hair, and short hair does not mean unhealthy hair. Of course, everybody knows there's this notion that black girls cannot grow long hair, so when you see a black girl with long hair, you automatically assume that it's healthy, stringy ends and all. Also, there are people who prefer short hair. Mind-blowing, right? So when you see somebody with short hair, don't assume that it's unhealthy. It's because it's broken off or that their hair isn't growing. Opinion number 3, co-washes are shams. Now, I personally don't co-wash because my hair tends to hold on to moisture well, so that would just be an unnecessary step in my hair journey, like where my hair is at right now. However, if you do co-wash like midweek to impart more moisture into your hair, I feel like you don't need to buy a product that says co-wash to co-wash. Co-washing is literally washing your hair with conditioner. Any cheapy conditioner will do. Listen girls, do not let these hair product companies cause you to hoard, okay? Speaking of hoarding, opinion number 4, you do not need to try every single last hair product line that's released on the market. I personally think it's unnecessary and a bit over the top, but if you got the dough to do all of that, do you boo. And you know what? People complain all the time, nothing works for my hair, so I need to try every single new product that's released to find what works for my hair. No, you don't. You don't give products enough time to work because you're busy slapping on a new one every week. Obviously, if you use a product like one time and your hair starts falling out, you're not going to use that product anymore. But people honestly don't give products enough time to actually do what it's supposed to do. Opinion number 5, you do not need to protective style 365 24/7. Now, if you're just starting on your hair journey to nurse your hair back to health, this does not apply to you. But if you have met your hair goals, whether that was achieving healthier hair, longer hair, thicker hair, whatever your goals were, when do you enjoy your hair? Like, obviously I'm not saying to stop protective styling completely, obviously not, but like, when do you let your hair down and get to enjoy the fruit of your labor? Let me know. Opinion number 6, you do not need to moisturize and seal every day. Again, if you're in the crucial first steps of your hair journey, my opinion does not apply to that situation. Or if you have highly porous hair and you know you need to keep your hair hydrated, this doesn't apply to you. But still, moisturizing and sealing your hair every day, in my opinion, is a bit excessive. All it does is weigh your hair down and cause product buildup. I feel like monitoring your hair and just doing it when needed a few times a week to supplement your weekly moisturizing deep conditioner is sufficient. Opinion number 7, and I feel like people are gonna be like, what? I do not mind people touching my hair. I really don't know where this whole don't touch my hair thing came from, but I genuinely don't mind people touching my hair. I mean, as long as you don't have like malicious intent or like just yanking my hair, you can touch it. It's all mine. I'm looking at my notes at opinion number 8 and wondering if I should really get into it, because people are gonna come for me. Let's do it. So, some people's skin are gonna catch a fire for this one, but opinion number 8 is the natural hair community is not much of a community. The natural hair community likes to bully us relaxed girls into returning natural because relaxers are toxic.
But I feel like the natural hair community itself is toxic.
I feel like if you're not 3A, 3B, 3C on hair, then you really don't get any love. 4C ladies are constantly pressured by the natural hair community to manipulate their natural texture into what ideals of what natural hair should look like. Listen, texture discrimination in the natural hair community is so real. Certain textures are preferred over kinkier, coilier types, and then there are those that lie about their curl pattern when their hair is obviously heat trained. Don't get me wrong, and I feel like I've had to say this on literally every single one of my recent videos, I love natural hair, but people just need to let people do whatever they want to their hair. The overall goal should just be healthy hair. Okay, that was a hot one, huh? Speaking of heat, heat isn't the devil. I believe that once you start out on clean, adequately moisturized hair, you're using a heat protectant and an appropriate temperature, that you should be good. I don't know what the fuss about direct heat is. Like, obviously, if your hair is fried, stay away. But if you have healthy hair and you take the appropriate measures, you should be good. I personally don't put a limit to how many times I use heat per month, per year. I use it when I want to use it. And my last unpopular opinion is, this might not be that unpopular, but anyway, sulfates should not be eliminated from your routine. You can't have healthy hair without a healthy scalp. That's just how it works. So your scalp needs to be free of dirt, grease, oil, and all that product buildup. Personally, I shampoo every week. I know some people do every 2 weeks, but like people going months without shampoo. How that work? And yes, before you say anything, I have eliminated sulfates from my regimen before. And you know where that got me? At the dermatologist. So I want to know, who should I send that bill to? But anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of my unpopular opinions. Let me know if you agree or disagree down below in the comment section. I would love to hear some of your opinions. Also, as these are just opinions, they may be subject to change in the future, but this is how I feel right now, okay? I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I'll see you pretty soon in the next one. Bye guys.